Hey guys, hope everybody's doing good. I got another video for y'all today. It is a rainy, nasty day, but that don't stop us. I got a no heating call I'm heading out to. The lady says the system will come on and heat for a little bit, and then it starts blowing cold air in heat mode. So I think she said it was a heat pump, not sure, but we're gonna head out and take a look. So y'all stay tuned, here we go.
Went up out of the vent. I turned it off because I didn't know if it was using gas or not.
So it's a gas furnace?
Yeah.
Okay.
And if I turn it off and on a couple of times, sometimes it would come back on, but it's very hit or miss.
All right, let's get it turned on here and see what it does.
And I hear it click.
Okay.
And the way that I can tell when
Okay.
my house is cold, but
Well, I got this set, so we can step down in the basement now
Okay.
and take a look. So. I think it's rust, I think.
oh,
Yeah.
I'm not trying to hover. I just want to hear what's wrong with it.
Oh, you know, you good. Yeah, I noticed it from inside here. There is a filter in there. I'll check that one in just a second.
Okay.
But yeah, this one right here, you won't even really need anymore. It's what we call a mystery filter. The client doesn't know about it.
Kind of like an appendix.
Yeah.
I'm not sure what that's for.
Yeah, so you don't even need this one anymore because it's already filtered upstairs in there. So.
Okay.
Let me ask you this: when was the last time you had any propane? Your propane tank filled?
It's supposed to come once a month, but it's been a little while, I think.
Okay. I mean, it's always a possibility. But you got the gas upstairs.
Yeah.
You would probably see it there first, I would say. Yeah, it's always it's always a possibility. You know, it can get forgot about or something like that. But I can check it for you before I leave, just to make sure. Alright guys, I was looking this thing over some more, just checking everything with it. Found this. Trying to look at this flame sensor. Now that is bad. That is about beyond cleaning. So I'm going to go show the homeowner and propose we change that. I sweeped out the burner compartment. Burners look okay. Igniter is okay. But definitely going to propose to change this flame sensor. And yeah, this thing's looking good to go. Everything's checking out with it. Pulled that mystery filter out, and it's running good. Big long run time, over 20 minutes. So everything's looking good other than this sensor. Alright guys, back down at the furnace, and I did get approval to change the flame sensor. Just want y'all to look at this. There's my old one, there's my new one. Big difference there. I'm gonna get my new one slid in here. All right. Right. Okay. All right, guys, got finished up with that one. I was told wrong. Obviously, gas furnace. Not a heat pump, which is okay with me because you can look at my window right here. Pretty yucky day outside, so I was happy that was a nice clean basement, dry. But anyway, that system is back going. It never did really quit on me like she explained it to, but I did find those obvious problems or threats to be a problem, so got all that stuff corrected. It's running great. She's happy, so that's all we can ask for. But hope y'all enjoyed this video, and we'll see you on the next one, guys. Thanks for watching.